Morning, morning, morning. It is Monday and it's our reading. Got a little bit of a space theme with this. On Saturday, the SpaceX was launched to the International Space Station, and it made history because it was the first private company to launch and land on the ISS. So it's the first thing that's not been government funded to go into space, which is incredible. Potentially a whole new age of space travel. Who knows, it'll be like Star Trek next. So, just to keep the theme of it, we've got our little text here. It's Golden Retriever. So, yes, sometimes we find it the slightly easier MetaMate, but that means the vocabulary and the text itself can be trickier especially for year 5 and 6. So, let's have a look at this. Obviously, have a little skim read first, straight away, but we have looked at this text before. So, how cold does it get at night in Fahrenheit? Right, okay, so you're going to skim read this nice and fast. You should know what you're looking for. You're looking for something that looks like temperature. We're looking for numbers. Here we go. Boom. Right. At night, the temperature varies from 387 degrees Fahrenheit below 0. What did it want it in? Did it want it in Fahrenheit? Yes. So what you do here is you don't. I've just remembered why I wrote this question. You don't put 387 degrees. Below 0 means it's minus 387 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so minus 300, whatever it was. What was the last Apollo mission? Now that's the last human one. So, the last Apollo mission, well, the last human one was the Apollo 17 mission in 1972. Next question. And to be fair, we should be finding these ourselves now. Why do materials sent to the moon need to be lightweight? So skim read. We should be looking for something about materials. There you go, the materials. The materials to build the moon habitat should be lightweight. Here we go. We need to know why. Since they will have to be boosted out of Earth's gravity field using rockets. There you go. So they need to be light because they need to be boosted out of the gravitational field in rockets. So you don't want to be boosting really heavy stuff into space. It will use a lot more rocket fuel. But there you go. You're retrieving the answer. It's in there. Next orange one. What would be cooled in the day and heated at night? Okay, so skim read. Oh, cooled. Right, let's read the sentence. The habitat will have to be cooled during the moon day and heated during the moon night. So the human habitat. So the place the humans live will have to be cooled during the day and heated during the night. 2 blue ones. Find 2 things that must not leak any air. Okay, so we've got to have a little skim read through here. Well, we know it's not in this bit. Airtight. Airtight means not leaking any air. So a moon habitat will have to be very tough and sturdy, have to be airtight, so the inside can be pumped. So the actual habitat itself must be airtight. What else has to be airtight? If you keep looking down, of course the airlock has to be airtight as well, so that the air can be put into the right section. So you've got the entire habitat, the entire building, and also the airlock system has to be airtight as well. Last blue one. If you were leaving your home, which door must be closed first? So, this one's about the airlock, and we talked about this one before, didn't we? The airlock system can be quite tricky. So, both doors must be closed very tight and not leak any air. Before the astronaut opens the outside door, the inside door must be closed. So there you go. So you have to close the inside door. So if you've got, here's your inside, here's your outside. You need to shut this door first before you can open to the outside. It's the same as if you had a dog. If you've got a dog that wants to escape in the house, you've got to shut the door behind you first before you open the outside door. Lovely. hopefully that wasn't too bad. I feel like that I've gone through that quite quickly, but you know, like I just said, summer 2. We're in summer 2 of year 5 now. We should be bish bash bosh with this. Well done with that. And Wednesday will be your next reading